Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you about how to build a multiple images to base 64 encoder kind of application. So this is the interface of the application. It is fully built in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. No external library is used. So here is simply you can choose your image files. You can select multiple image files at one time. So basically it is a bulk image to base 64 code encoder. It will change your images to base 64 code. If I click the choose files button, you will see. Now you can just select any images of your choice. So if I go to my documents directory and light shout, so here I can select multiple images at one time and then it will convert those images into base 64 code. So let's suppose I select this image. The image extension could be anything PNG, JPG. Let me select these 6 images at one time. If I open this, you will see it will show you a preview of this image and the name of the image, type, PNG and the size as well. So all sort of this information will be available inside a table. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Now to see the base 64 code, simply you need to click this hyperlink show base 64 code, and this is a long base 64 code here of this image. Simply you can right click copy this, and if you click this for this image, nothing is there. If you click this code will be there. Simply copy this. So basically you can select multiple images at one time and then you can just show their base 64 code. So this is a very handy application. Many a times you need to get the base 64 code of any certain image. You can use this application, just make this your own application. I have given the all the source code in the video description. You just need to go to the video description, click on the link I have provided, and let me just show you. This is a blog post link here that I provided in the video description. If you land on this page, my blog post will open here. So simply you need to go to this blog post, and I have given all the source code. 3 files will be there. First you need to create index.html, copy paste this code here, and then style.css for the style sheet code to add the styles, and then we have the script.js, which is the actual logic, which is the JavaScript code. Let me just tell you step by step. So I am using Visual Studio Code text editor, and you can see I have created an index.html file. So what you need to do is that you need to first of all go to my blog post inside the video description and just copy paste this code here. Simply Control C, and simply you need to paste this. And now if you open this with live server, this is the extension of Visual Studio. So you can see nothing will be styled. No, it will not work. This is a simple choose file button. And now to add a certain style here, you can also create external file style.css, and here you can copy paste the style sheet code here. So simply if you drag down, you will see the style sheet code here, which is style.css. So simply again drag down, copy all this code. Control C, and just paste it. And now we need to include this file as well. So right here at the top, you can do this by a link tag. So this takes style sheet relative attribute, and then we need to provide the location, which is href attribute. Simply write style.css file, which is there inside the same directory. And now we need to create another file for the JavaScript. We can include this by script.js. So we need to create this file here. So simply create this file script.js. And now what you need to do is that simply drag down, and now you need to copy paste this code here. So copy this code here. Control C and paste it here. So now you will see the application will be complete. So if I again open with live server, so you will see this will be the interface, choose files. So if you click this button, if you now choose any file here, so you will see now it will show all this information inside a table. If you click show base64 code, you will see all these images will contain this base64 code, and also it will show the preview of the image, title, type and size as well of the image. And this is a base64 code. So this was the actual application, guys, a bulk image to base64 encoder or converter in pure JavaScript. All the source code will be there inside the video description. Just go to the video description and download all the source code, and I will be seeing you in the next video.